Okay. Hey! Want to catch? No! Okay, let's do a video.
I'm already filming.
Oh, how long have you been filming for? Just a few seconds. Come on. Josh! Show my pen. Oh, don't go in there.
Oh, I don't want to be in the tent.
There's already people in the tent. Oh, is that hello?
Hi! It's our tent.
Okay, bye. Can't go in there.
Why?
Because I don't want to.
What? It's our tent too.
It's so rude.
Like, it's our tent too. What the heck?
You do know we're doing canoeing later. Should we just sit on the spot?
Oh, I don't. Just let us in.
Or should we just sit over there?
Yeah, there.
Sit over here. Where's your bag?
We don't need it.
I'm still. Really?
Go sleep.
You do know we're doing something.